Hello everyone, welcome on FrogTech Tips. Today I've got a wireless mouse. It's a G110 Pro version. It should be Bluetooth voice only support ATV, and also it's right at 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but there is no adapter for connection. That means I don't know, but I definitely want the Bluetooth. But it's also right on here transmission method, the 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth 5. It's got a 6x gyroscope. Range is 10 meters, working with AAA 2 batteries. Material is plastic and silicone. It's really good size and weight is just 50 grams. You can also use on smart TV, Android TV box, mouse, tablet, gamepad, and the other side is exactly the same. Okay, let's go open this box. Again, one hand man opening for you. And yeah, this only I will show you what is inside, and later on, if you want it, I can do a review for this as well. There is something else. Yeah, there is some manuals. Here we go. Here you go. We got the manuals. Okay, you see the box. There's nothing else. And on the manuals, it's bright all on the button. You can see what kind of button we have here. It's really nice, and also it's got a blue backlights. Brilliant. Here what you need to do, how to pair and how to use the ear programming sensor, because the power button you can lean key for your for your Android box or TV or whatever to make it power on, and after that every single button is over to Bluetooth. That's absolutely brilliant. That's what I wanted, and replace my old remote control. Hopefully will be works. Like I said, if you want it, I can do a review. Just let me know and I will do a full review, but this is just unboxing for you. And as you can see, this is how to program and how to use, and it's also working with the voice, Google Voice Assistant. Yeah, it's brilliant. I like it. How it looks, the remote control. What do you think? Is good quality or not? Check it. Let's sticker here. One man hand working again. Okay, here you go. First look. Brilliant. Looks nice. You like it? Yeah. Like I said, it's 2 battery, AAA battery. Oh, here's the receiver. Okay. It's inside. Okay, that's brilliant. It's also there. That's absolutely nice. I like it. I don't know, it's there. Okay, cool. And like I said, we got a power button, play button, mouse button, middle button, OK button, up, down, left, right, back, home, backlights. If you want the backlights, you need to hold like 3 seconds. Also, we got a Google Voice Assistant, page up, page down, volume up, volume minus, delete, and kill the sound. Okay, that's it. That's how it looks like. All good, all nice. Hopefully you like this video. Like I said, if you want a full review, let me know. I will be do it. And if you don't want it, I will be not do it. So far it looks nice, good quality. I think good feel. Yeah, it's really nice. It's silicone button. It's really nice quality. I like it already. Its hold is very nice. It's also got a gyro sensor. That means it's mouse. You can do like this and should be mouse working. Okay, it looks brilliant. It looks nice, and also probably will be working with your computer as well if you plug in this over the Wi-Fi if it doesn't have a Bluetooth. Yeah, that's it. Okay, again, click like, subscribe for more video like this, and see you later, alligator, and hopefully you like this video.